Hello everybody, welcome to our lesson. In this lesson today we are going to have some word problem on capacity. So let's get started. Before going to the word problem, let's revise units of capacity. As we discussed in the previous lesson, capacity or volume is measured in liters and milliliters. And as you know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, let's apply this formula on our word problem. Hold on. Before solving the word problem, you have to keep some steps to solve a word problem in your mind. These steps are called UPS check. U stands for understanding, planning, and solving of the word problem. And finally, don't forget to check. Whenever you have any word problem, first of all, try to understand means read the problem. What I'm looking for? What do I know? Second step is planning. The strategy, draw a picture or make a table. Third step is to solve the word problem and show your work and label your answer. Finally, you have to check once again, explain and justify your answer. So let's get going. This slide is showing you our first word problem pertaining to today's life. Sam is sick. He needs to take 5 ml of medicine 3 times a day. How much medicine he will take in 1 week? So, how we are going to solve this word problem? First of all, we are going to underline the given values. So, first is how much amount of medicine he needs to take? Yes, it is 5 ml 3 times a day. And we are supposed to calculate the amount of medicine or the volume of medicine in 1 week. So let's show the working. 5 ml of medicine he needs for 3 times. So we need to multiply 5 times 3 and it is going to give us 15 ml. So this is amount of medicine which Sam needs to take in 1 day. Let's calculate for 1 week. As we know, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Let's multiply the amount of medicine in 1 day times 7 days of a week. Yes, it's going to be 105 milliliters. I hope you are clear with this problem. Now let's focus on next problem. A jug holds 500 milliliters of lemonade. After Sarah poured a glass, there is only 425 milliliters lemonade now left in the jug. We are supposed to calculate how much lemonade she poured in her glass. So put on your thinking cap and try to solve it. Don't forget to underline the important values. So the capacity of jug according to the word problem is 500 ml. How much lemonade left after Sarah poured a glass is 425 ml. So let's do our working. Capacity of jug is 500 milliliters. Volume of lemonade left in the jug after Sarah poured a glass is 425 75 ml. So how much Sarah poured in her glass? We need to subtract 425 from 500. It is going to be 75 milliliters. So we figured out that Sarah poured her in glass 75 ml of lemonade. Now, next word problem says a fish tank has a capacity of 20 liters. If the tank is already half filled, how much water do we need to fill it up completely? We have to calculate in milliliters. So let's solve this problem. First of all, again, we need to underline the important values. The capacity of full fish tank is 20 liters. We are supposed to calculate how much water do we need to fill it completely if tank is half filled. So, capacity of tank is 20 liters. Current level or volume of water in the tank is only 10 liters. So, how much is needed to fill 20 minus 10? Yes, it's very easy to calculate. It is going to be 10 liters. So, we need 10 more liters to completely fill this fish tank. And in order to calculate it in milliliters, let's multiply with 1000. As we know, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. We are going to multiply 10 by 1000. Yes, so it will be 10,000 milliliters. So, I hope you enjoyed all these word problems and their solution. Thanks for watching. Now, it's your turn. You can frame some more word problem and challenge your friends. Thank you.